In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable track changes in Microsoft Word, a superb feature for collaborating on and refining your documents. This feature is particularly useful when working with editors or colleagues, as it allows you to clearly see all modifications made, including insertions, deletions, and formatting changes, while preserving your original work. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your Word document where you'd like to enable track changes. Once your document is open and you're ready to keep track of any modifications, direct your attention to the top portion of your Word window, where the ribbon is located. The ribbon is the overarching toolbar housing all the commands you might need. Specifically, we're going to focus on the Review tab, which is designed to help you with proofing, comments, and collaboration. Now, click on the Review tab to access the tools you need for this task. Within the Review tab, you'll find various features for document management and editing. Look for a section called the Tracking Group. This section is integral for monitoring changes. The next step is quite straightforward, yet crucial in activating the feature we're focused on today. Locate the Track Changes button within this group. Clicking the Track Changes button will switch tracking on. You'll know this has been successfully activated as the button will be highlighted, indicating that any edits or additions you make from this moment onwards in your document will be automatically tracked. It's like flipping a switch that allows you to perfectly record and bracket all your adjustments. This feature offers significant advantages, especially if you're in the role of revising or proofreading. With track changes enabled, every alteration becomes instantly visible and can be reviewed by others working with you on the document. Whether you're inserting new material, managing typos, or overhauling formatting, these changes are all captured and highlighted for easy reference. If you ever find yourself needing to turn this off at any point, simply click the Track Changes button again and the highlight will disappear, indicating tracking has been turned off, pausing the activity. Using track changes not only makes your life easier, but also fosters efficient teamwork, clear communication, and transparency. Colleagues can leave comments on specific changes, suggest additions, or even raise queries, making collaboration seamless and productive. So, this simple yet powerful tool can transform how you manage document edits and feedback. Thank you for following along. Now you know how to enable track changes in Microsoft Word, a feature that could immensely benefit your editing process. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to streamline your work.